Hello friends, today we are going to butter chicken factory. And the butter chicken factory is in Khuwair, inside OMAN, Muscat. We will reach butter chicken factory within 10 minutes. We have reached butter chicken factory. This is how it looks inside the butter chicken factory. This is the dining table. This is a buffet style for each person 5 riyal. This restaurant is very luxury. These are the items which we are gonna receive. I'm waiting for the starter. I'm so excited.
I'm super excited.
These all are the food came, veg and non-veg. This is chicken fry and this is paneer fry and this is gobi Manchurian. This is another type of chicken and this is potato fry. This is fish fry.
हाँ वो आराम को तो इतना अर्जेंट नहीं है बट क्या फिर भी बोल रहा हूँ ठीक है ओके ഹലോ തന്നെ അവർ മെയിൽ അയച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട് LG കോഡിന് വേണ്ടി.
These are the sweets what they have gave. And this is vanilla ice cream with chocolate syrup spread. It looks very awesome. Okay, I'm gonna taste it now. Wow, it looks very awesome. Gonna taste it now. It's very nice. Awesome, very delicious. That vanilla ice cream and that chocolate syrup combination is very, very nice. Wow, it's delicious. This is the bill. 2 large water bottle, which is 800 paisa. 3 non-veg unlimited, which is 15 riyal, and veg unlimited, which is quantity 1, and that is 5 riyal. Total is with tax 21.800 paisa. Okay friends, bye. Signing off by BB Praveen.